To conclude this section, I will repeat my previous point. On one hand, we hear that, to awaken to true and complete enlightenment, it is necessary to perfect the accumulations of merit through 3 incalculable eons. Then, on the other hand, we hear that it is possible to attain the unified level of a vajra-holder within this same body and lifetime. These two statements appear to contradict one another. Truthfully, there is no way one could be enlightened in one lifetime if one had to gather accumulations of merit throughout 3 incalculable eons. However, if one could be enlightened in a single lifetime, then there would seem to be no need to perfect the accumulation of merit throughout 3 incalculable eons. Actually, both are right in that it does take a very long 10 if one takes the path of reasoning.